Mexico is located in the southern portion of North America. Mexico has pronounced wet and dry seasons. Most of the country experiences a rainy season from June to mid-October and significantly less rain during the remainder of the year. February and July generally are the driest and wettest months, respectively. Mexico City, for example, received an average of only 5 millimeters of rain during February but more than 160 millimeters in July.
Hawksbill sea turtle. As a highly migratory species, they inhabit a wide range of habitats, from the open ocean to lagoons and even mangrove swamps in estuaries. While they are omnivorous, sea sponges are the principal food of hawksbill sea turtles. Nesting behavior. A female deposits 50 to 2,100, depending on the species, ping-pong ball-shaped eggs into the egg cavity. The eggs are soft-shelled and are papery to the leathery in texture. Their communication is through smell and vibrations and waves produced to mobilize.
Blackbird is a medium-sized bird in North America. Blackbirds are omnivores, with their diets varying greatly, depending on season and location. The birds live in large forest areas, but do leave forests in search of food. Sometimes they become attracted to human communities because they have food. Usually produce their first litters at the age of 3 or 5 years. The birds living in more developed areas tend to get pregnant at younger. The breeding period usually occurs in the June or July period, but it can expand to August. The sounds produced by birds can be exciting and terrible when you hear in nature. Perform these types of vocalization to communicate with each other in their environment.
The jaguarandi, also called cat, is a small-sized wild cat native to Central and South America. The jaguarandi is found from the southern Texas and coastal Mexico in the north, through Central and South America east of the Andes, and as far south as northern Argentina. They are excellent swimmers, so always seek to settle in areas close to water. Jaguarandis become sexually mature at about 2 years of age and have lived for up to 10 years in captivity. The jaguar is an extremely powerful and agile predator and has a great difficulty in hunting down the most prey.
Dahlia is mainly in Mexico but also Central America and Colombia. There are at least 36 species of dahlia. Has leaf-like tubers but divided into 5 filled breasts, which at the end of the stems, which are a foot long, thin long flowers have a way of yellow stars. On a red has 2 rods like acorns.
Cannabis. The terms cannabis and marijuana, among others, refer to psychoactive substances that are consumed in the plant cannabis sativa recreational, religious, and medicinal purposes. Cannabis has been used to reduce nausea and vomiting in chemotherapy in people with AIDS, and to treat pain and muscle spasticity. The first pair of leaves usually have a single leaflet, the number gradually increasing up to a maximum of about 13 leaflets per leaf, depending on assortment and growing conditions. At the top of flowering plant, this number again diminishes to a single leaflet per leaf.